Welcome all of you in the lesson number 39 for grade 1 mathematics. We started unit 4, that is subtraction, yesterday, right? We learned the concept of subtraction by using number bond and by simple method, crossing method, and we also learned the method by using number track. Okay, today we will study more about subtraction by using number track. Yesterday we learned one method, today we practice that method, and we will learn one more method to subtract and subtract numbers with using by using number track. Right guys? So it is on page number 50 of your book. You can check page number 50. You can open your book, page number 50. Right? It is on page number 50 of your book. So this is the number track. And let's suppose you have to minus 6 from 9. This is the example. You have to minus 6 from 9. This is 9 minus 6, right? So what I taught you yesterday, that whenever you need to use number track for subtracting, you will go back up to 6 steps. This is 6, so you will go 6 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 9 minus 6 equals to 3. You check the number on the 6th step. When you move 6 steps back, what is the number? That is 3. So you will say 3. But there is one more method by which you can answer. How? That method is that you can go back up to 6, because you have to minus 6. So from the number track you go back until you reach 6. So from 9 you start going back. This is 8, this is 7, and this is 6. And check how many steps you go back in order to reach 6. So I show you, this is 9, and you go back 1 step back, so it is 8. 2 step back, it is 7. And on 3 step back you find 6. So 9, from 9 you go step back, 1 step back you find 8, 2 step back you find 7, and third is 3 step back you find 6. So you can say, sir, 9 minus 6 equals to 3. How you can say? Because you have reached 6 when you go 3 steps back. You reach 6 when you go 3 steps back. Okay, let's erase this off. Okay, now it's 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Let's suppose I ask you 10 minus 8 equals what? 10 minus 8 equals what? So you have two options. Either you can go 8 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is 2. So you know the 10 minus 8 is 2. And another option, easy option, is to go back until you reach 8. So this is 10. You start going back. This is 9. And this is 8. So on the second step, you will find 8. So this is 10. You go back until you reach 8, because you have to minus 8. So you start from 10, you go back, this is 9, and this is 8. So how many steps you go back in order to reach 8? 1 and 2. So you go 2 steps back to reach 8. So you can say, sir, 10 minus 8 equals to 2. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Same, if I ask you 10 minus 7 equals to what? So now again you have two options. One option that you go count back up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and find the answer. But the easy option is to go back until you reach 7. Is to go back until you reach 7. And check how many steps you go back to reach 7. This is 10. And you go 1 step back, so it is 9. 2 step back, so it is 8. And when you go 3 steps back, you find 7. You have to minus 7. So how many steps you go back to reach 7? 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 7 equals to 3. 10 minus 7 equals to 3. In that way, you have to solve. I will give you one more example for this. This is 10 minus 7. Let's suppose I ask you 8 minus 3. Now, this is 8 minus 5, let's suppose. Okay. Now, from 8 you go back and check until you reach 5. This is 8 and you start going back. 1, 2 and 3. On the third step you find 5. You have to minus 5. So 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Why? Because you go 3 steps back. 1, 2 and 3. So 8 minus 5 equals to 3. You will write here 3. Now let's come to the exercise and we'll check. Wrinkle was having 10 books, so this was 10. This was 5. This was 5 and this was also 5. Now 26 minus 24. 26 minus 24. You have to minus 24 from 26. So this is 26, guys. And this is 24. How many steps you go back to reach 24? 2 steps, so 2 is the answer. But I will ask you now. Abdullah, can you hear me? Abdullah, can you hear me?
Hi, Ustad.
Hello.
I'm teacher.
Okay. Can you tell me 26 minus 24 equals to what? Start from 26, go back until you reach 24. This is 26, go back. Count with me. 1, 1 and 2. Abdullah, can you hear me?
25.
No. Listen again. What you have to do, you have to minus 24 from 26. So you will start counting back from 26 until you reach 24. Okay?
Okay.
So count with me and go back. From 26, you go 1 step back. You find 25. Then you go 1 more step back. You find 24. So how many steps you go back to reach 24?
25.
How 25? Look, this is the 1 step. From 26 to 25, you go 1 step back. 1,
24. 24.
2 step back, you reach 24.
24.
Abdullah, listen to me carefully. What you have to do, you have to minus 24 from 26, right? So from 26 minus 24, you start counting back from 26. And you have to check how many steps you count back in order to reach 24. Okay?
Okay.
So this is the first step. You count back first step from 26 and you reach 25. Okay? Now,
Okay.
one more step, you go back and you find 24. So how many steps you go back? How many steps do you go back? Yes. How many steps do you go back?
Hello, sir.
You're not answering. Umar Mustafa, can you hear me? Umar Mustafa. Please open your mic, guys, so that you can answer. iPad Hamza. Yes, iPad Hamza, can you hear me? iPad Hamza. Abdul Rahman Al Wasl.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
Yes.
26 minus 24. Can you tell me the answer? Go. How many steps back should I go in order to reach 24?
Sir, 1.
No. When I go one step back, I find 25. Two step back, I find 24. Look, I show you again. Okay. Look here, Abdul Rahman, and all of you guys, look here. This is 26, right? I will go back from 26 until I reach 24. I will go back from 26 until I reach 24. Okay?
Okay.
So start from 26 when I go one step back. 1, 2. So I found 24. How many steps I go back?
23.
2 steps. Arish, I go 2 steps back. Look here, this is was 26. One step back 25 and 2 step back 20.
27.
24. So I will write here answer 2. Why 2? Because 26 minus 24 equals to 2. Okay?
Equal to.
I repeat for you guys how you have to solve it. In question 26 minus 24. So you start counting from 26 and you will count back. You will go back. How many steps you go back? Until you reach this number. This is 24. So this is 26, 1 and 2. On the second step, I find 24. So I will count how many steps I go back. This is 1 and 2. So I go 2 steps back. That's why 2 is the answer. Now for 24 minus 23, I will start from 24 and I'll go back until I reach 23. So I'll go only one step back and I'll find 23. So the answer is 1. 24 minus 23 is 1 because I go one step back to reach 23. Now I will ask, Hamza Basin, can you hear me? Hamza Basin. Amir Al Falai, can you hear me? Amir. Amir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Amir. 24 minus 23 equals to what? Check with the
1.
number track. Very good, 1. How do you know this is 24? And you go only one step back to reach 23. So this, how many steps you go back? 1. So you will say 24 minus 23 equals to 1. Very good. So I will write here 1. 24 minus 23 equals to 1. Hassan Asad. Can you hear me, Hassan Asad?
Yes, sir.
Hassan, 26 minus 26 equals to what? Part C.
Six in the
26 minus 26. Hassan Asad.
11 4. Plus
Yes. 26 minus
12.
26.
26 minus 26.
Yes.
In the 8.
Look.
8.
How 8? How 8? I give you 26 chocolates and I take 26 chocolates. How many chocolates do you have now? Zero.
I have
Zero.
0.
Because what I gave, I
0.
take. What I gave, I take. 26 and 26 same. When you minus same number from a same number, you will get 0. Okay? Look here in the number track. Look here in the number track. This is 26. And how many steps you go back to reach 26? No step, because you are already at 26. So 0 step. 26 minus 26 equals 0. Okay? Because 26 is equal to 26. Whenever you minus same number, whenever you minus a number from a same number, so you will have answer 0. Thirty minus 27. Jamal Badr, 30 minus 27. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. 30 minus 27 equals to?
1.
Yes. Look here. Count with me. This is 30. Go back until you reach 27. Count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Why you go 4? Why? You find 27. You have to find 27. You go back until you reach 27. 1, 2, and 3. How many steps you go back to reach 27? 3. How many steps? So what is the answer?
3.
3. Very good. The answer is 3.
3.
Again, how do you know? You start from 30 and go back until you reach 27. 1, 2, and 3.
3.
On the third step, you find 27. So you say the answer is 3.
3.
Okay. Hamza Al Husseini, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hamza Al Husseini, I want to minus 24 from 25. 25 minus 24. Can you tell me what? 25 minus 24 equals to what number?
1.
1. Very good. How do you know? If you check from the number tag, this is 24. How many steps you go back to reach 24?
1 step.
Only one step. That's why 25 minus 24 equals to 1. Very good.
Step.
Yes, this is 1. Now 28 minus 20. 28 minus 20. Ahmad Muhammad, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me 28 minus 20 equals to what number?
8.
Very good. Guys, how do you know? For you, I repeat, you have to minus 20 from 28. So you will start from 28. Okay? And you will go back until you reach 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So on the 8th step, you find 20. That's why you know 28 minus 20 equals to 8. How do you know? Because you start counting back from 28, and when you count back 8 steps, so you find 20. That's mean 28 minus 20 equals to 8.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. 28 minus 20 equals to 8. Okay, now we will practice by our own. Let's suppose I ask you 30 minus 27 equals to what? So you have to reply me, guys. 30 minus 27. 30 minus 27. 30 minus 27. Arshiman Aziz. 30 minus 27. Can you tell me? Arshiman. Ammar. Can you hear me, Ammar?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Who is here? Okay, Ammar, wait for a while. Arshiman is also here. His mic is open. Yes, Arshiman. 30 minus 27. Can you tell me? This is 30. Go back until you find 27. Go back 1, 2, and 3. Very good. 30 minus 27 equals to 3. Very good. Okay.
Three.
Ammar, now it's your
3.
turn. 30 minus 27. Ammar,
3.
how do you know? Because this is 30 and you go back in order to reach 27. 1, 2, and 3.
3.
When you go back 3 steps, you will find 3. So 30 minus 27 equals to 3. Very good. Now let's suppose I ask 30 minus 25 equals what? Adam Umar, can you hear me? Adam Umar.
Yes, sir.
Adam, 30 minus 25. Can you tell me? This is 30. Go back until you find 25. Start counting with me. 1, yes, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Did you find 25 now?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
25.
No. How many steps you go back to reach 25? 25 you have to minus. 25 is not the answer. How many steps you go back to reach 25? 1, 2,
1,
3, 4, and
5.
5. So 30 minus 25 equals to 5. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Abdullah. Abdullah, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I want to ask you 29 minus 27. Can you tell me 29 minus 27 equals to what?
2.
How do you know?
2.
You can count by fingers. You can have too many methods to solve, but with the help of number track, this is 29, and you go 1 and 2 steps back to reach 27. So 29 minus 27 equals to 2. Very good. Let's take one more student. Abdul Muit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, Abdul Moeed, question is from you. 28 minus 25 equals what?
Um. Uh, um.
Start from 28, count back until you reach 25. Okay, this is 28.
Okay.
Go back. 1,
1,
2,
2,
and
3.
3. Did you
It's
find 25
steps.
now? Yes. So how many
Yes.
steps you go back?
3.
So what is the answer?
3.
Very good. 28 minus 25 equals to 3. The next question I asked this guys, 26 minus 24 equals to dash. And I will ask you, Hamad Al Khalf, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Hamad, 26 minus 24 equals to?
22.
No. Look here, this is 26.
1, 1, 2,
Yes, very
2.
good. Very good. You go back from 26. How many steps you need to go back? 1 and 2.
2.
So the
1
answer
and
is
2.
very good. Now, if I ask you 27 minus 23 equals what? I will ask this question to one more student. Ibrahim Muhammad. Can you
Yes. Yes.
Ibrahim Muhammad,
Yes.
can you tell me 27 minus 23 equals to what?
4.
4. Very good. How do you know?
4 steps.
Because this is 27. Yes, 4 steps back. You go how many steps back? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps back to reach 23. So the answer is 4. Now, Abdul Rahman Atif. Abdul Rahman Atif, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Rahman Atif, if I ask you 28 minus 23, can you tell me 28 minus 23 equals to what?
What technology?
This is 28. Check how many steps you need to go back to reach 23. Count with me. 1,
1, 2,
yes.
4.
Now 6. Let's listen here. This is 28. You want to reach 23.
5.
5. This is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 28 minus 23 equals to?
Now equal 5.
Very good. It is equals
Thank
5.
you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. Now if I ask you 30 minus 21 equals what? 30 minus 21 equals what? Arish, can you tell me 30 minus 21 equals what? Yes.
10.
Sorry?
10.
How 10? Look, this is 30. Go back to reach 21. 1,
2,
2,
3,
yes,
4,
yes,
5,
yes, 6,
7,
okay,
8,
yes,
9,
9. So what is the answer? How many steps you go back to reach 21?
9.
9. Don't take help from your parents. You have to answer by yourself. This is 30
Okay.
and this is 30. You want to reach 21. You go one step back. 1, 29, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. To reach 21, you go steps back 9. So 30
9.
minus 21 equals to?
9.
Very good. 28 minus 21 equals to, this is 28 minus 21. And who will answer it? Anas Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Anas, 28 minus 21. Can you tell me the answer? This is 28 and this is 21. Go back from 28.
One,
Yes,
one,
yes,
two,
yes,
three,
yes,
4,
yes,
5,
yes,
6,
yes.
7.
7. Very good. Again, I start. This is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you need to minus 7. You need to go 7 steps back in order to reach 21. So 28 minus 21 equals to 7. I hope you understand, guys. So this is the today's lecture.